Welcome back. This is Corporate Radar. Well, as promised, let's get chatting with Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. That's the next corporate on our radar. It was a good quarter of the bank as the net profit for the quarter came above what the street was estimating, and the asset quality as well has reduced a little bit. Mr. Ittira Davis, the MD and CEO of the bank, joins us on the show. Hi, sir. Morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, how's FY24 shaping up? If you could give us a few numbers, what will the NIMs look like? Because it's come down a little bit, but I think you had guided for that. So what's the broad range we look at out there? What kind of loan growth are we looking at? And as well as give us an insight into asset quality.
Good morning, Nigel. It's good to be back with CNBC. Yeah, I think, we have come out with record results for 2023. And, it's an all-round performance. So you are talking about 24. We expect to continue that growth trajectory that we have seen in terms of NIM. The NIM came under a little bit of pressure in the fourth quarter. We expect NIM to be around the fourth quarter levels into the first half of the new financial year. But based on an expectation that the interest rate cycle will change towards the second half, we can see NIM beginning to, grow. But the other part that you need to keep in mind, and your viewers need to keep in mind, is that our non-interest income is also seeing a big growth. And that will more than compensate for any pressure on NIM. And I think that is something that everybody needs to... NIM is very important, but in addition to NIM, non-funds-based business is also very important.
Mr. Davis, hi, good morning. So let's just talk about the business growth, because the disbursals number is very strong. I mean, even quarter on quarter, I think it's up 23-24% year on year again in the 20s. So what is the trajectory like for the current year? FY24, by how much do you think you'll be able to grow the book?
The overall OSP is expected to grow by about 25% plus, and we will keep giving better guidance as we go through the year. But for the moment, in the first quarter, we are saying 25% plus. So that is the direction. The disbursements, obviously, for us, with a bit of, it's slightly different in each quarter. The first quarter tends to be a slow quarter, and the fourth quarter is, or in all means, the best quarter. And that's why you have seen disbursements in the fourth quarter crossing 6,000. For the full year, disbursements were crossed 20,000, which both of them are records. In the first quarter, we will expect to see about 4,800 crores of disbursements is what we are expecting. And that will keep picking up as we go into the second, third, and fourth quarters.
Right. The disbursements in the MFI business it's a strong quarter, right, traditionally, sir? Could you tell us what's happening there? Yeah.
The MFI business, when we came back from the COVID situation, the MFI business is the one which took off. And they did extremely well. They've done, a fantastic job this year. In 23. Into 24, we are seeing the next part of our business also coming into gear. The housing business will be doing a fantastic job this year. The housing team did a lot of homework in the last year, put things in place. We have got a new structure in the field. We have got asset centers distributed across the country. And that is a center where there is a full team, not only of the business, legal, and all the other support units are there. So they will be able to speed up and increase disbursements. And we see a lot of demand coming from the affordable housing sector. So this year, our growth engine is going to be, in addition to the micro banking loans, it's going to be also the housing.
Okay, all right. Just a quick last word on asset quality. Mr. Davis, you managed to reduce your gross NPAs, I think, to sub 3% now. What's the outlook on provisions and overall the health of the book?
The collections have been going very well, 100% in the last couple of months. We expect that to grow, to continue. And, we can expect the overall provisioning levels and everything else will be around the 100 basis points for the year, which will be slightly higher than the previous year, but nothing, much different. We are expecting the collections and to continue. And if that continues in the way the previous year, last quarter, the fourth quarter, I think even the numbers will be slightly lower. So an excellent situation in the collections and in GNPA and NPA reductions.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate you joining in with that perspective on the business, and good luck. We'll speak with you soon again.